Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to shut off a phone when your power button isn't working at all anymore. Clicking but not doing anything. So to solve this problem, again still not working. So this is not a fake video, I need to shut this thing off so I can replace the power button. You simply search power off in Google Play and install Power Menu app. So let me install it and get back to you. And now you open it, agree, Power Menu is disabled. To enable it, settings, accessibility, Power Menu. Where is yes? There's yes. I'm looking through the camera and I cannot find Power Menu. Do we have a search? No, we do not have a search. So I need to find it. Power Menu. Enabled. Okay. Tap on that. I said tap on that. And we have the power menu. And we can shut it off. Again. And now this phone is off. Sad little thing, we cannot power it on again because this button is not working. But this was the reason I'm here, because I need to shut it off so I can remove its back and replace the internals. So yeah, that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.